model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom Black 292.2 Trend E-Tech Noisy Gearbox Repair No Vat. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 156429. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox is whining in all of the gear, still starts to drive fine but will need replacing or repairing at some point. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: